Fault code F7E1 basket speed sensor fault. I have already replaced the lid switch and actuator. Please help.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Never had the issue before. After waiting a week for the F5E1. So, the F7E1 code still remains.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
As I said, I installed the new actuator and lid block assy last night.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The fault codes are the fault codes. Am I missing something?
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. Please note it takes time to type and add links, so please be patient. I may also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you. The error code is telling you the control does not see the motor turning the tub. Does the washer in fact agitate or spin? Can I please have the full model number of the unit to better assist you? The model number is the lid at the rear of the opening on top loaders. If you open the washer lid, the model/serial tag is at the rear of the opening on the washer itself.
Part of my fault code description to the service was not displayed. Here it is. Original fault codes were F7E1, F5E1, F7E7. After I installed the new actuator and lid switch, I recalibrated the actuator and did the motor reset. Tried to run a small load, and now only the F7E1 basket speed sensor fault code remains. No agitation and no spinning. Water okay, draining okay, end of cycle lid unlock okay. I did not pay attention to the water height. Rechecked the fault code and it was F7E1. MVWC 300XW0.
Thank you. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. I am also assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Thank you.
No worries.
Okay, and the basket speed sensor is the shift actuator. So if you have already replaced it, you will need to replace the main electronic control board. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here. Always glad to assist you anytime. Thank you in advance. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. And even after you rate me today, if you have a question, just reply back to me. I will still assist you, no extra charges. But rating me 5 stars is the only way I get paid for my time. I do not get compensated until you rate me. You should see a rating box. Just click on the rating box and it will open the rating window for you to then rate me. Thank you in advance. Do you have any other questions for me?
Sadly, the expense of the circuit board plus the costs I've already incurred for the lid switch and actuator tell me that it is more cost-effective to buy a new unit. The upside is that I did all I could with your help verifying my efforts. Your service was worth the money. Thanks again, Woody.
Always glad to assist you anytime. If you need me again for any other issues, you can request me Master Tech. Thank you and have a safe weekend.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.